Hello. Recently, World Scientific has published a book with pioneering and unusual title, Breakdown of the Equivalence Principle, Einstein Equivalence Principle. So let me show you this book. Let me show you this book. Share. This is Einstein Equivalence Principle Breakdown. Editor Andrei Lebed, publisher World Scientific, and this is the website where you can buy this book. Now I would like in this short video comment this pioneering title of the book and tell about one chapter of this book, which is most principle and which show that Einstein Equivalence Principle is broken for some quantum bodies. So, this is just one example. If you read this book, you will find several pioneering statements about breakdown of the Einstein equivalence principle in different situations. So, first of all, a little joke. This question about equivalence of energy and gravitational mass or weight is the most ancient one. This monkey says, "What a heavy pineapple. I guess it contains a lot of energy. Shall I discuss this issue with physicists?" And our answer that yes, sometimes you shall discuss this question. Okay, but what seriously? Seriously, physics distinguish between two kinds of masses, gravitational mass and inertial mass. You feel gravitational mass is in principle proportional to weight. You feel it any times when you measure your weight, body weight, using weights. Inertial mass you feel when you use elevator. For example, when you goes up, you feel increase of your mass, and when you goes down, you have a decrease of your mass. So when you go up, you are heavy, and when you go down, you are lighter. So the famous Einstein equation E equal to mc squared is written for inertial mass originally, but for a long time inertial and gravitational mass were considered as a manifestation of one property, and they consider it to be equal. Indeed, more than 400 years ago, Italian physicist Galileo Galilei, he showed that inertial mass is equal to gravitational mass by throwing cannonballs from Leaning Tower in Pisa. So this is famous experiment. What about current situation? Currently, this equality between inertial mass and gravitational mass is established with great accuracy. So this is just the latest experiment. In 2016, the French agency SNES launched microscope space mission. So they launched aircraft, they launched space rocket, which delivered satellite on Earth's orbit. And they observed this motion of this satellite for more than 2 years. So this mission was ended in 2018. And what they found? They found that acceleration of 2 cylinders in the satellite, which were made from exotic alloys, is exactly the same, and different masses is exactly the same. And they found the inertial mass and gravitational mass are equal with relative accuracy 10 to minus 16, 10 to minus 17. So this is probably one of the best accuracies in physics. So this Einstein Equivalence Principle and Galileo Equivalence Principle is established with great accuracy. Then you can ask, what are you talking about breakdown? I must say that we tell the following, that there are 2 types of bodies. One bodies are usual, and they satisfy this criteria. And the another bodies we call gravitational demons, and they break the equivalence principle. So before the description of gravitational demons, I would like to pay your attention on one important difference between classical physics and quantum mechanics. So in classical physics, when you measure something, you get a definite result with probability 1. In quantum mechanics, there are such states. For example, they are called quantum superpositions. This is the quantum superposition of the states in atom, say in hydrogen atom for simplicity. And when you measure energy, you may get with some probability energy E1 and with some probability energy E2. So the simplest case when this probability are the same and the average or expectation value, how we say in quantum mechanics, average energy is E1 plus E2 over 2. What we state? We state the following, that if for such gravitational demon we measure gravitational mass, then the average gravitational mass will not be related to energy by Einstein equation. So average gravitational mass is not equal E1 plus E2 over 2 c squared, where c is the velocity of light. It is different. It can be greater, it can be lower than this value, but and this depends on the preparation of the sample. So this is a manifestation of quantum nature of this body. We believe that such states, gravitational demons, may be created in the Earth's laboratories, and the gravitational mass may be measured. So this is unlike costly space experiments. We can do everything on the Earth. So this is one statement. If you read this book, share the screen. If you read this book, or buy it or read at the library, you will know more about this statement, and you will also know about 4 other situations when the equivalence principle is broken. In this short video, I just don't have a time to say about the situation. And this is the website, and you can buy book cheaper if you use this promotional code. And at the end, I would like to say thanks to Natalia Lebed, for drawing of the Einstein and Galileo Galilei portraits for this book. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your attention.